Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, it is time to get back on the Monday grind, so you gotta get ready. Listen, we made it through last week. Again, we're gonna make it through this one. We just gotta keep it moving. All right, you all, let's check out the Monday Work Week Edition watch faces. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today I have an awesome watch face for you all to check out. Now the name of the watch face is called Hipster N3 Red. Now in the always on mode, this watch face looks awesome. It has a glow in the dark effect, kind of an old school look to it, right? And when the watch face is on, here's where the realism starts to come to life. Now this watch face actually has a 3D effect look to it, which means that it looks real. I don't know if you can see it through the video, but I'm telling you, in person, this watch face looks awesome. Again, it's an analog watch face. At the top, you're going to get your month and your date. You have a few dials. I like the second hand, actually, that's going around the bezel of the watch, too. It's not plain, has a unique design to it. But let's tap right here. I'll be able to get my heart rate. So that means that this is the interactive watch face. If I tap right here, I'll be able to get my battery info. And if I tap right here, I can get my calories burned and my steps, right? If I tap on the date, I can get up my calendar, find out what day it is, and or set an event. So I thought that was pretty slick. Tap right here, well, double tap. And I could change the theme, the look of the watch face. This one here is beautiful, ties into black, gray, red really well. Double tap again, gives it a different type of look. The dials kind of change. And we're going to double tap one more time, and you're back home with what you started with. I'm telling you, you got to see this watch face in person. This one here will get you ready for a Friday and or a Saturday night. Check this out. Number two. Now, number two is nice. This one here is more so a casual watch face and a Sunday watch face, right? Or an everyday watch face. Now, the name of this watch face is called Bumble in 5. Now in the always on mode, you're going to get two looks. For the Gear 3, it's just going to be dimmed down. You're going to get the same look as you would have if it was on. But for the Gear 2, you're going to get a totally different look. They both look great. When the watch face is on, yes, it is super casual. It is an analog watch face / digital. And you got a few dials. Now you're going to get information on your battery life right there. You're also going to get your info for your heart rate and your steps and your step goal right there. Digital time. You got your day and your date right there, and you got shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch. So if I want to get my weather, I could tap there, get my weather. And if I tap here, I can find my device. Also, if I go to the right, I can get to my settings and my music. Those things are important as well. And I like the way the tip of the hands light up too on this analog watch face. It's not a bad look at all, right? And here's something I like. For a casual watch face, you can customize the theme a little bit. It's not bad. Check it out. Not bad. It kind of transforms a little bit, right? Just simply tap in the middle. Precise. Sometimes I can hit off. But yeah, not a bad look. I'm liking it. What do you think, guys? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts. And with that, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.